when it comes to shipping waste, a lot of people don't understand everything that goes on in the background.
There are a lot of materials that can go into landfills, but maybe shouldn't. Could have long-term impact on community quality of life and long impact on our climate.
People need to know that there's ways to get rid of all this stuff without hurting the environment.
Drivers, some of the locations they go to, they're either pumping out toxic tanks, corrosives, flammables, and toxic materials. So they're donning their PPEs, they're donning their respirators. Being able to perform the work and being able to get out safely is key.
Our goal is always to be at 100. That means all our guys are doing things right and they're coming home at the end of the day, which is what we worry about.
We provide service to a lot of government agencies. We do a lot of work with the school districts as well as aerospace companies and various other private sectors. For the school district, there's a lot of chemicals that are brought into the science labs, and we come in and lab pack those and identify them, and being able to get rid of those keeps the students safe.
One of the things that we really draw from our successful business model is the ability to extend communities and make it safer, make it cleaner for people to occupy. Technology like Samsara has really allowed us to gather that information swiftly and work with our field operational leaders to, better prepare our transportation network.
If I can see what's going on and where my guys are, it's great.
We significantly invest in our people. We invest in great groups of people that come in and want to back a mission of zero waste to landfill. It's been a real game changer. It's created pride amongst our driving force, and it's a tool that we all rely upon.